morning children, myself Sanjay Kumar Gupta, Maths and Science teacher in St. Michael's Academy Betia. I am welcoming you all in the second video of Science for class 7, chapter 8, Weather and Climate. As in previous video we have read about weather, here we shall know about climate. Students, as you know that climate is a average weather condition of a place for a long period of time. So as here given, you have studied that meteorologists record the weather every day. They study these weather records over a long period of time, say 25 to 13 years. The study of weather over long periods of time helps meteorologists to understand the pattern of weather at a particular time. चूँकि किसी भी जगह का एक लंबे समय तक जब मौसम का जानकारी, वहाँ के क्लाइमेट, वहाँ के वेदर कंडीशंस को लिया जाता है, तो उस हिसाब से ये पता चलता है कि किसी स्थान पर औसतन तापमान, हवा की स्थिति, आर्द्रता कितनी कम या ज़्यादा हुई। अगर यह एवरेज लगभग एक समान हर साल आया और यह लंबे समय तक चला, तो वहाँ का जो वेदर कंडीशन होगा वह एक खास मौसम के अनुसार ही परिवर्तित होगा और इसी को हम क्लाइमेट के नाम से जानेंगे। सो क्लाइमेट ऑफ अ प्लेस इज डिफाइंड एज द एवरेज वेदर कंडीशंस एट अ particular place over a long time. Climate varies from place to place as look at the average weather conditions of 4 different places in India as some chart has been given from Srinagar, Chennai, Delhi and Cherrapunji. Now these will be read by you and you can understand about average weather conditions and study that how the meteorologists define the climate of a particular place. So the average temperature mentioned in the tables above the calculated in 2 steps. Firstly, we calculate the average of the temperatures recorded during the months. यानी पहले क्या करते हैं कि महीनों के दौरान आए हुए टेम्परेचर के रिकॉर्ड का एक एवरेज निकाला जाता है। जैसे जनवरी टू दिसंबर, देयर आर 12 months and the minimum temperature will be added for 12 hours and again it is divided by 12, so average minimum temperature has been taken. After that the maximum temperature of these 12 months are added and divided by 12, then average maximum temperature has been taken, and just after calculation of these maximum and minimum temperature we take observation from today's weather condition, and if we find that the same weather condition remains for years, now it says that the part of the earth or a place is containing a same climate. So in the next step, the average of such average temperatures is calculated over many years. Can you find any differences in the climatic condition of the 4 places shown in the table given and write your observation in the given table. So it's your work to do as activity. So what do you think is the climate of desert? Is it cold, hot, dry, or both hot and dry? Obviously your answer will be hot and dry, because the average weather conditions will be hot for a long period of time, because these places do not get much rain in their locality, in their areas, as well as they experience a lot of temperatures of sun that makes their climate hot and dry. We are now in the position of differentiate between weather and climate. Means weather is the current condition or the state of atmosphere of a particular place in terms of humidity, cloudiness, temperature, wind, etc. And climate is a long term, usually 25 to 30 years average weather condition at a particular place. Something more has been given that tells us about global warming and greenhouse effect. So many countries seem to be experiencing warmer conditions than normal. This is due to global warming. Gases like carbon dioxide and methane trap the heat radiated by the earth and prevent it from escaping the earth's surface. The more carbon dioxide is present in the earth's atmosphere, the less heat can escape, and this makes the earth and its atmosphere hotter. This increases the earth's temperature, is called greenhouse effect, which leads to global warming. जैसा कि आप जानते हो, हमारे दैनिक जीवन में गाड़ियों से, कल कारखानों से और फ्यूल वुड से तरह तरह के धुएं पैदा होते रहते हैं, जो कई हानिकारक गैसों जिसमें कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और मीथेन की मात्रा होती है, यह हमारे हवा में, हमारे वातावरण में मिलते रहते हैं। और जब ये हमारे अर्थ के एटमॉस्फेरिक क्षेत्र में आते हैं तो उस समय हमारा अर्थ एक ग्रीन हाउस की तरह काम करता है। यानी ये जो गर्म पार्टिकल्स हैं ये पुनः एक दूसरे हवाओं से टकराते हैं और यहाँ एक गर्म क्षेत्र पैदा करते हैं। फिर ये पृथ्वी के एटमॉस्फेरिक क्षेत्र से शीघ्र बाहर नहीं निकल पाते हैं और उसके कुछ अंश यहाँ हमारे अर्थ के आसपास रह जाते हैं, जो ग्लोबल वार्मिंग का कारण बनते हैं और यह हमारे वातावरण के लिए हानिकारक साबित होते हैं। जैसा कि यहाँ एक एक्सट्रैक्ट में बताया गया है कि आज कई देश सामान्य से अधिक गर्मी का अनुभव ले रहे हैं और यह सिर्फ तब हो रहा है जब हमारे यहाँ एक वैश्विक गर्मी, एक वैश्विक उष्मा का प्रसारण हो रहा है। So students, checkpoint 1 and 2 as well as practice time will be given in this video. So write this and learn. Thank you.